and we're heading to the Tarapani from Gorepani, and there you can see the border of Grandrug is covered with the snow, and this is all around. It's snowing everywhere. It's snowing. There's the guys. Super cool, you know. The sky is covered with clouds. It's pretty light. There they are, and it's all snow. And this is the stairs. It's pretty slippery though. Have to be careful with that. Oh yeah, just enjoying the walk. It's so beautiful, pretty. Lots of snow. Pretty cold though. Hands are freezing, but it's still not stopping to take the videos because it's one supernatural video. Yay! Come on, Jack, dance!
You do my bag up first before I fall over.